Hi friends, welcome to Bright Computer Tutorials. In previous video, we seen introduction of C language. In that one, we are discussed about a C. What is the language? What is the computer language? So now, this is very important topic. So in this video, I am going to explain about what is the C language. Now I am going to describe about a C language. So here C is a general purpose computer programming language. How we have a human being language English, like that C is also one of the language for the computer. How the C will be used in computer. So for example, if you take English, so here in English we have a sentence. If you want to communicate with other, we must form the sentence. So here this number of sentences we will call a paragraph. So this paragraph, it will describe about something about the thing which we are going to discuss. So this is paragraph. Next, this number of paragraphs we will call a page. So this page, it is described more about the particular thing. We have this number of pages, then that we are calling book in English. So this book, this entire content, it is showing the something description. So here, if you want to know about the something, then you have to read the book. So in this book, if you want to know the something about the particular thing, then we have to go for a page. If you want to, so like that here, sentence, paragraph, page, books, how we have to describe something or to tell something to the other, how we have these subparts of the C English language. So like that, C language, it is easy to communicate with the computer. So how we have to communicate with the computer, what is there in C, and here simple you have to understand, it is programming language. So here now we have to discuss about programming. So now how we have a sentence in English, like that a sentence in English, like that we have an instruction. So instruction is nothing but a single line. A single line. Instruction is nothing but a single line, and also we will call it is a statement. So to communicate with the computer, we have to write the number of lines of code. This each line we are calling instruction. So if you form these entire instructions, then we will call that is the function. So here simple function is a collection of instructions or statements. It can perform a specific task. So here function, it is collection of instruction. Instruction is nothing but a single statement. If we have number of functions, then that we will call a program. So here program is nothing but a set of instructions is called program. It is also perform a specific task. So here simple, C is the programming language. So this program consisting instruction. So here this number of instructions we are calling functions. So here if we have number of functions, then that we will call that is the application or software. So simple application or software, these two names, there is no difference. We will say that is an application, that is a software. So for example, WhatsApp is an application, we will call, that is also software, we will call. So like that. So here in C, finally end point in C, we will build a application or a software. So simple application is nothing but the collection of programs. It can perform the specific task. Simple, what is there in C? See it as an instruction, see it as a function, see it as a program, see it as an application. So finally in C program, by using C program, we will build an application. How we have a book in English, like that, we will build a application in C. C is also language, English also language. By using English, we will make as a book. By using C language, we will make as a software. So our intention, by using C language, we will build the software. It is performing the particular task. So like that, why the C is implemented, it means here to implement the Unix operating system. So operating system, it means it is an interface with the user and computer. So here we have Windows, Linux, Android, these are the operating systems. So like that, the first Unix, it is the operating system, it is built based on the C language. So like that, so here, so this is about a C language. By using C language, we can make this entire software. Simply you have to remember, why you are learning C language, it means to make the application, to make the software, like what we have softwares, application softwares are there like MS Office, Photoshop, like that, and we have network applications like ShareIt, Bluetooth, like that, network applications are there, and utility softwares are there, Java, Next, C++, like that, programming languages are there. Those softwares will be built in C, and C is the first language to implement a logical operation. When C is came, then we have a mouse, a keyboard, what is the hardware parts we have, those entire hardware parts will be made, because whenever C is finded, they are written code for the mouse. Mouse, it is a hardware. When it has a software, that time only it will be work. So here, this software mostly that will be done in C language. So thank you guys. This is about the C language. In next video, we have to see history of C language. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to updates, and please share to your friends and like it